Our passion obviously is textiles and crafts, and being a conscious provider of items, and that goes from gifting through to household items that are more eco-friendly, materials for their own projects.
Making people more aware about what they're buying, being more aware of the environment and waste.
And so that they're using materials in a more considered way to help the environment. It stems from our passion that we've always wanted and strived to do in our own life, to live more eco-friendly and more sustainably. So when we had the opportunity to try and do something and spread that value and that want and that passion, we thought, right, well, let's do it.
So we came up with the idea originally with the treasure room, collecting things from businesses and companies that ultimately would have gone to landfill. But we wanted to expand on that and offer more. So then that's when we thought about, well, we could offer workshops, we could have the eco shop, and then we branched out further to offer the refills.
Just keeps growing from there, really. So we can't really pigeonhole ourselves into anything in particular. Louise is from an educational background and mine's more sort of commercial textiles. We can bring something different to everything that we do. Because we've got that wide experience, we can't really stick to one thing, so it keeps growing and it keeps growing, and all these different projects. We obviously want it to grow and we want for it to have a long life. At the moment, we're happy for it to be able to help the community, help individuals, try and educate people a little bit.
In the textile industry, there's so much waste, and we've become very much of a society that once the season's done, we took it away. And the amount of clothing that goes into landfill is just, is astronomical. We want to try and make people aware of that, and the fact that it can be reused for other things.
I think that's really important for us. We're very passionate about this throwaway society. Everything that we do here, whether it's a workshop, whether it's something we sell in the shop, whether it's a reupholstery project, and it's always with that frame of mind of, is it sustainable? Are we doing what we can to keep ourselves within that umbrella? There's a lot of history in Kirklees. For me, coming from a commercial textile, so I've worked in mills and with a lot of high-end customers, lots of high street customers. There's still a lot of buzz about Yorkshire and Kirklees in terms of being able to provide good products, quality products. I think it's really exciting. By promoting ourselves and promoting Woven in Kirklees and all the other companies or makers or crafters, artists that are involved in it as well, we get a good sense of achievement as being part of it.
It pulls together a lot of textile communities. It pulls them all together into one initiative, which can help smaller companies.
There's a lot of people out there that are really interested in eco-friendly products and repurposing and remaking things and crafting and making, and it's a fantastic community to be part of.